Introducing the stunning 2024 Volkswagen T-Cross 1.0 TSI R-Line. This sleek black beauty boasts 110 horsepower and comes fully loaded with top-of-the-line features for your comfort, convenience and safety on the road. From the ambient lighting to the collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. With only 6387 kilometers on the clock, this 1-litre engine machine is practically brand new. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style with the 2024 Volkswagen T-Cross today.